Dear learners, we would study about the definition of administration given by Fritz Marx. Fritz Marx is a German American political scientist where his definition is a goal oriented, purposeful, and organized activity. It is based upon a determined action taken with respect to the conscious purposes. The definition is a deliberate, structured, and resourceful effort to achieve the intended outcomes while managing the risk and uncertainty. This definition is based upon rational use of the resources. It is a goal oriented activity. It is a preventive and is based on strategic thinking. The administration is a proactive, wherein the things planning, wherein plannings go around, there is steps to avoid them. Administration is a purposeful activity, and administration is an organized activity. It involves the rationalized use of all the resources, rational use of resources, goal-oriented activity, and it avoids the wrong by proactiveness. It is a good administration which includes to anticipate the challenges which will occur while converting the plans into action. There is everything which helps to avoid the wrongs and is proactive in nature. Administration is a determined action which is taken in pursuit of a conscious purpose. It is systematic ordering of the affairs, which is calculated use of the resources, which aims at making them happen. And when it takes place, then it helps, which wherein it aims at making things happen which ones want to happen and foretelling everything to the contrary, which means that any wrong done is proactively controlled and it is goal oriented activity, whereas determined action is taken in pursuit of a conscious purpose. Administration, it is not a random activity, it is planned activity. It is an intended, intentional, it is done with a definite purposes, with a clear objectives. For example, for the purpose of reduction of a traffic problem in a city, the city government it plans the deliberate actions. It enroutes the road and manages the peak time wherein the traffic is maximum. Second, it is a systematic altering of the affairs wherein the it refers to the organization, the planning, the components of administration are organization and planning. These are involved. Tasks and responsibilities are divided between the departments and roles are assigned to the individuals. For example, setting up the various administrative departments and assigning roles to the individuals. It involves calculated use of the resources. It aims at making those things happen. It involves calculated use of resources, the human resources, the material resources, the resources like time, money, and manpower are used effectively, wisely, and wherein the budgeting of the funds are done carefully so that we can achieve the maximum benefit from the administrative activity. It aims at making those things happen which one wants to happen, wherein administration is goal oriented activity wherein its goal is to achieve the desired objectives at making those things happen which one wants to happen. Second is it is about converting the plans into action, the conversion of the plans which are on the paper into the field, into the action. It is about the foretelling everything to the contrary, wherein administration involves and includes everything. It anticipates the problems, it anticipates the challenges which are dealt while they are working on the field, and it is a proactive process wherein planning for something it goes wrong or then it avoids them by its nature. Therefore, administration is a goal oriented activity. Administration is a purposeful activity. Administration is an organized activity. Administration is a deliberate, structured, determined action and to pursue a conscious purpose. It is a structured and resourceful efforts for the purpose of achieving the outcomes. It manages the risk and uncertainty by the calculated use of resources, which aims at making those things happen which intends to happen. and it controls, prevents, prevents the wrongs, prevents the unnecessary hurdles with the help of strategic thinking.